Diro, mag-swimsuit ko dito.
So, 27, then 400 sa Sunday. So, 26, 29, 30, and 31, 4 days. So, at first, on the first day, mag-start may kuluhay on 9 o'clock with prayer led by yours truly. Then, at the opening meeting led by yours truly, then prayer with CG, then
okay. Now, July 26, 9 a.m. opening meeting. Then we're gonna have prayer. And then, nawala na ang lunch. So, okay lang. Okay.
And then ang mga audit, depende sa activity for procurement, bongering, and partition.
Kung the case, asa ang uban? Sa 16, sa 16, 17. Asa ang uban?
Nag-review kami, sir.
Ha?
Nag-review kami, sir.
Sorry pa, no?
Para pag adto na mo prepared na may sila.
Sa discussion kanina.
I am tasked by our to report our audit track. So we projected na 2.5 days lang siya or at most 3 days. Observation na ito
Okay, so lead auditor, si Sir Bakatan, and then team members, Ma'am Novem, Sir Dante, Ma'am Nova, Sir Shaw. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So team members, so di lang i-identify na. So wala nag-discuss, tapos nag-edit. Kung 10:30, panalitan na, kung 10:30 kit siya, dapat same auditor, instead na 1 p.m., proceed na mo 10:30. Kung nahuman yun mo 10:30. Kung 10:30 yun niya. Nahuman mo 10:30 niya, 1 pa mo resume, dili. Proceed na mo. Ang criteria. Okay? So, ingon ta ang definition sa criteria, ingon to kita sa iyong thesis, gihapon. Ang ganyan buntag. So, criteria means the baseline. So, what's the first rule of thumb? If you don't know the basis, you don't have the right to raise non-conformity. 2. Rule of thumb. Dapat may evidence, dapat may pasihan. Requirements ninyo.
Go deeper sa other
area. Other requirements ninyo that affects your rule of thumb, that only affects your operation. Pero kung naamoy kita na hindi na siya related sa operation, ayaw na.
Yes.
Only those related sa operation ng organization. Okay? Then, nasa nga rin. So, what are other examples of criteria? Okay, it can be your company policy. That's a criteria. Muna ito nagihingon, kung wala'y ISO, kung may mga polisiya, if that is your mindset, if that is your focus, look for non-conformity. You are not an auditor anymore. You are a fault finder. Nga naman, mangita, ramang ka non-conformity. So, inig-audit niyo mo, maayo man si Sergio. Wa man kayo nakita ng non-conformance. Di yung ka mahawa, kaya wa makita ng non-conformity. Ano man, kaya imong orientation, sa imong utok, non-conformance, mangitag non-conformance. Ma'am, asa yung checklist? Ma'am, asa ka nag-audit? Commercial, sir. Asa yung checklist? Wala, sir. Assign the auditor, review the documents, prepare the checklist. Tama? Kung sa i-review, morning. Necessarily the actual question itself. Now, sa iyong checklist, wala mo kabalo, wala mo kita. Kung iyong checklist nakasulat yun diha, for example, Do you have a procedure? Question mark. Ingon si standard, if you do that, okay raman. Pero not necessarily actual question.
Pwede kami na po test.